Hey, to change icons theme on your Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and go into the themes. Just be sure they are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and now go into the icons, and from here tap on the right upper corner and you can type, for example, free icons. If you don't want to pay for this themes, here we can find the list of the popular icons. You can click on this popular icon and then tap to top free. So now you will find all the highest rated free themes for your icons, of course rated by users. So let's say it's the Christmas time, so I want to get the Christmas icon, so I'm gonna select this one. Here we get the preview how this icon looks, and we have to click to download. Now just click apply and wait for the applying process. Now take a look. As you can see, my icon theme has changed. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.